So as you can see, it's got my table saw out of storage, and well, it's a little rusty. So I thought, well, if I got to clean it up, might as well show everybody a couple of really nice things you can use to make your life easy and clean up any of the rusted areas on any of your other machinery as well. So hold tight. So one of my favorite things in the shop for rust removal is the Clean Spore Sandflex blocks. Hadn't found anything that works any better. Leaves a good polish. The coarse block is aggressive enough to get most of your even deepest rust out. But I thought for this, maybe try something a little different as well. Got some non-woven hand pads. Normally you see these just hand pads, but Clean Spore does offer these with a hook and loop backing. So I thought I'd pop one on a sander and see if I couldn't do a little quicker work of it. Work smarter, not harder. So we'll try both. You tell me what you think and what you like better. Hold tight. I know one thing, I'm all hot, sweaty, and dirty now. But rust is gone, and top looks pretty good. What I found was because of the slight grooves in the surface of the cast iron top, that combination of both the Sandflex block and the non-woven product made a great tag team on it. Rust is gone. I'll give it a final clean and touch up, and finally be able to use this thing. Whew. Man, I think I need a shower now.